gut doesn't feel well, so I'm going to explore city on my own. That's fine. It's definitely busier than Hanoi, so I learned how to cross the street in Hanoi, but I'm not sure if I can do it here. I did it last night, so it was fine, so hopefully, finger crossed, I can walk here around. My first stop is going to be Notre Dame. It's like 10 minutes walk from our hotel, so I'm going to check it first and then probably drop on district, which is nearby as well, and then I will see what I can find. It's actually really modern. I didn't have any expectation about Ho Chi Minh. It's kind of surprised me. It's really modern, lots of high buildings, etc. Yeah, and the quality of our hotel is definitely much better than in Hanoi. So yeah, we are not picky, really, trust me, we are not picky, but yeah, Hanoi was kind of different level with hospitality, but it's fine, yeah. To Notre Dame, but they are doing some renovation here. Yeah. You can see they have hop on hop off bus. If you want, you can try it and do it. I prefer to walking. So yeah, it's much better for me. So yeah, it's Notre Dame in Ho Chi Minh under renovation. So this is Central Post Office. Let's check it inside. So over there you can see counters, and here you can buy some souvenirs, postcard if you want, and you can send them straight away. You can see Notre Dame from this side. I'm so sad it's closed. But it means I need to come back. So yeah, let's go fine. I'm heading to Book Street. It's next to Post Office or Notre Dame. So I'm heading to Japanese town. Here is in Ho Chi Minh. What I really like about this city is walkable. You can walk everywhere, especially if you have accommodation in District 1. You can walk almost everywhere, and it's like few minutes away from your accommodation. So I definitely recommend to stay. Oh, I'm crossing the road. I definitely recommend to stay in District 1. Yeah. I arrived in Japan town. The rain starts, so yeah. I will come back during the evening. That's really lots of shops, bars. Oh, it's closed now. Yeah, and rain start, as you can see. So my hotel is somewhere nearby here. Hopefully I will get out of this place somehow. Yeah, I probably go straight to the hotel and I will come back here later. So my hotel is 3 more minutes and I'm completely right. Yeah. I did not expect this.